Welcome back. With in-game fights, contract disputes, and off-the-field arrests, the sports world has been the source of lots of negative publicity of late, but the sports world is still capable of doing positive things as well.
And one Bakersfield woman can definitely attest to that. 17's Todd Strain is joining us now with this very special story.
Sometimes small positive things can grow into huge, gigantic positive events, and hopefully this is a case where this transpires.
Let's hope so.
A baseball fan, a friend, and a Los Angeles Dodger. These are the real characters in a real-life story featuring courage, goodwill, and hopefully good health. 26-year-old Melissa Flores considers herself Bakersfield's #1 Dodgers fan.
Why wouldn't you be a Dodger fan? They're awesome.
Dodger pennants, hats, pictures, teddy bears, jerseys, blankets. If it's Dodgers, she has it. For this lifelong Dodger fan, the Blue Crew always came first. But in March of 2005, Melissa had to put the Dodgers in the back seat when she was diagnosed with cancer.
Stage 2 breast cancer.
Okay.
I ended up having to have a mastectomy. I went through 4.5 months of chemotherapy.
Amazingly, the treatment was a success.
In October, I celebrated my 1 year being cancer-free.
The celebration was short-lived. Roughly 5 weeks later, Melissa was told the cancer had returned, this time stronger than before.
Now I have stage 4 cancer. It's in my hip, definitely, and possibly in my lungs.
The doctor's diagnosis shocked Melissa.
And he did tell me that it was serious and that I might not ever be cured. And the reason why it's so serious is because it's in my blood. That's how it traveled from my breast down to my hip. And he said it could be other places and it could pop up, you know, whenever.
Melissa's family and friends were there for immediate support. Lifelong friend Vivian Herrera wanted to do more. But how do you help someone who is facing so much? Vivian's thoughts turned to baseball.
She bleeds Dodger blue. That's Melissa. She is a big Dodger fan.
So Vivian sent the Dodgers an email detailing Melissa's love for Dodger blue and her ongoing battle against cancer. On December 1st, Vivian sent the email to the Los Angeles Dodgers. 12 days later, Melissa went to her computer, opened her account, and what she saw absolutely wowed her.
I was just kind of scanning through it, and then for some reason, I don't know why, my eyes went back up, and the heading said Tommy Lasorda and the Los Angeles Dodgers. And as soon as I read that, I was like, and they were like, what? And I was like, oh my God. And they were like, what? And I was like, how? But how did that? And you know, I couldn't talk. I was so surprised. I felt like a little kid. I felt just like a little kid. I was so excited.
As for Lasorda's part in this, the legendary Dodger says, whatever any Dodger fan wants from him, any Dodger fan gets from him.
If they want a picture, I send it to them. If they want me to write letters, I write letters. They want me to call, I call on the phone. If they want me to appear, I appear a lot of them. If you can make somebody happy, that's what the answer is.
But you must always know that God is with you and that he will never leave your side. Sincerely, Tommy Lasorda, Special Advisor to the Chairman, Los Angeles Dodgers. He doesn't even know me, you know? Somebody that he doesn't even know, and to take the time out of his day to write me a letter, that's awesome.
While Melissa continues her courageous fight against cancer, she has a dream that keeps her going. Melissa Flores wants to attend a Dodger game next season. And guess what? Tommy Lasorda wants to make Melissa's dream a reality.
You give Melissa my love, and you tell her that she has to call me sometime during the season, and she can come to Dodger Stadium and be my guest.
I think that's an offer that this Dodger fan will definitely accept. Now, Melissa is watching this story. She knew we talked to Tommy Lasorda, but had no idea what Lasorda said until about 20 seconds ago. That was the first time she heard about Lasorda's invitation. So, Melissa, it's true, Lasorda wants to take you to a game. He wants us to forward you his contact information, and of course,
I guess-
we will do that for
And,
sure.
and it would probably be safe to assume she won't be sitting in the outfield bleachers.
No,
I would think so.
I think she
No
will be.
nosebleed section.
She will be down pretty close. Now, Lasorda's invite is obviously uplifting, but the prognosis is very grave. So she needs lots of things like this, little miracles that keep her going and keep her thinking positive, and hopefully there'll be a happy
Well, we
ending.
certainly know
Yeah.
that they're there.
Yeah,
That was
And my
very
prayers are with Melissa and her family, too.
Sure.
Thank you, Todd. That's wonderful.